we're jumping the Honda, baby. Yeah. That's a clunk. That's my, oh, that's an interesting cloud. Okay, so my argument for currently driving my parents' new vehicle off-road is that I'm listening for clunks. I hear clunks. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but do what you will with that information. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and you guessed it, we got another car. So today I'd like to introduce you to, it's not a Beamer, Honda. Yeah. So basically, my parents had an Oldsmobile Alero. That thing sucked, it's garbage. So the issue is that they said they would drive that poor car until it died, and then they would replace it. The problem there is that it has been dying and has died many times, and they will not replace it. So I replaced it for them. So yeah, we got us a beautiful Honda with an orange gauge cluster. Now, if you're a Honda person, you know that means it's probably an SUV. Honda CRV, baby. So now this isn't gonna be a full crazy build, turbos or anything like that. So unfortunately, we gotta keep it kind of tame-ish. So sorry about that one, fellas, but we're gonna have some fun with it, and let me show you why. We have a little bit of everything. We have a lot of body work to do. She's got 330,000 rough kilometers. She definitely needs a little bit of mechanical. Yeah, a little bit of interior work. We got to customize it a bit, and of course mod it. So my Honda family who knows about my Honda Civic that is no longer with us, this is going to continue the legend. So first off, you know, pretty factory interior. We got to replace this thing. It doesn't work. Stunning, I know. I never would have guessed a JVC would crap out, but you know, other than that, that's new. Other than that, she's pretty much stock, and these seats are just the worst. So on the checklist of things to do, we need seats, we need a radio, we need to hype this interior up a bit. As far as she goes on the outside, she's actually pretty clean. No race car. It's a little bit different from what I've usually done. I'm a Jeep guy. I love Hondas. I put the two together, and now we have this nugget. So as you can see, she's got a little bit of crunch, a little bit of gross. We're gonna get rid of that or make it right again. So body work there. She is bone stock. Got it for $500. Hell of a dent there. She's just gnarly. Look at me. That's a crazy wacky mirror thing, but yeah, that's caved in about 3 inches. That's pretty gnarly, so gotta fix that. Some more crunch on the wheel well. Weird mid-2000s window tint that's not aging well. Crusty rims. Now I bought this and it sat for about 2 years, was never driven. While it was parked, someone cut the cats out, so it was loud, it was race car, it was fantastic, sounded like 300 horsepower. I have a video of that, it's pretty great. Bus is still pulling on us. Other than that, hella stock, hella super unimpressive. So that's awesome for us because it gives us stuff to do. So it is all-wheel drive with a B20 automatic. I don't know if you can even get a manual, I'll be honest. Step one, I don't know if we want to lift or lower this. Like, it is all-wheel drive. We do have Canadian winters, so you know that's important to keep in mind. But it's stock, so maybe wheels. Maybe we'll paint these, restore them a bit, but we gotta do something, and we can't just leave everything stock here. It's not how we do things. Just have an audience of horses. So hella stock once again. I think we can clean her up because that is just gnarly. B20 potential. If I had that B16 head, holy heck, we would have a vtec B20. That'd be pretty crazy. So, you know, things we could do. That's not a turbo. Other than that, factory everything. 300,000 kilometers, new battery. That's the only thing I've had to do. Other than that, we basically dragged it out of the bushes and fired it up, and she went. So can't complain there. So like I said, guys, it's a super quick video, just things I gotta do. I wanted to do something nice for my parents, so me and my brother are gonna take it on us to fix this turd up. That's promising. Also, fun fact, the OBD is over here. What is this? Oh, the OBD is on this side, behind here. I never knew that. Look at that! So like I said, there's gonna be a few videos, a few how-tos probably on how to fix this little nugget. We've got check engine light, ABS, the usual. Got some gnarly oil leaks, things like that, clunking in the back, but 500 bucks, fired right up. It drives really good, straight as an arrow. Brand new tires on it, so you know, I think it's a good deal. Something I'm not afraid to send my parents out in. That Alero though, that thing scares the hell out of me. So anyway, guys, if there's anything you want to see, anything you want me to do to this nugget, we gotta, you know, keep that legend alive. We built that Honda Civic pretty good, so I think we can do something special to this. Give my parents something not to be embarrassed to be seen in. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you want me to do to this thing. I want to make it cool. So we got windows we gotta do next. Honestly, I don't know if I'll film that. It's not super riveting content, but it is what it is. I'll show you guys, you know, some things. So yeah, nice quick video, an intro. I'm not gonna hype you guys up saying this thing's gonna be a power build. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be a nice, tasteful, budget, very budget build. I use build loosely, but we wanna make it nice, guys, like I said. If you're in it for power, we got the race truck. Another thing I don't know if I've announced yet, that's gonna be power. Stuff like that. So again, this just like for the average Joe. Honda CRVs are actually pretty quick. It's the same as the Civic, just taller, not as cool. Sorry, but taller Civic. So anyway, catch you guys in the next one. Like I said, let me know what you guys want to see down below and I'll do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are into Honda stuff, even though we're down a Civic, we're gonna have this nugget here to fill that space a little bit. I do want to get a hatch too, an EG hatch. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So until then, guys, check out the other builds. We got Beamers, we got Jeeps, we got LS, everything. We got Chevy truck. That's race truck season, as you can tell. So catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.